What is bullet journaling?
Bullet journaling is a flexible, analog method for organizing tasks, events, and thoughts in one place. Created by Ryder Carroll, it uses a blank notebook and simple symbols to track your day-to-day life. Unlike traditional planners, bullet journals can be adapted to suit your unique routines and priorities, making them ideal for anyone seeking a personalized productivity system.
Core principles of bullet journaling.
Bullet journaling is built around rapid logging, which uses short, bulleted notes instead of long sentences. The system features key elements: the index for quick navigation, future log for long-term planning, monthly log for overviews, and daily log for everyday tasks. Symbols like dots, dashes, and circles help quickly distinguish tasks, events, and notes, keeping everything clear and efficient.
Essential supplies to get started.
To begin bullet journaling, all you need is a notebook and a pen. There's no need for fancy supplies. Simple works best, especially for beginners. Choose a notebook that feels comfortable to write in, whether it's lined, dotted, or plain. Pens or pencils are both fine. You can experiment with colors and styles as your system develops.
Setting up your first bullet journal.
Start with a few core pages, an index at the front, followed by future, monthly, and daily logs. Number your pages to help with indexing. Each day, jot down tasks, events, or notes as they come. Check off completed tasks, migrate unfinished ones, and update your logs regularly. Embrace flexibility. Your bullet journal is meant to adapt with you.
Tips for staying consistent.
Consistency is key for bullet journaling success. Set aside a specific time each day, like mornings or evenings, to update your journal. Keep it simple to avoid overwhelm. Start small and gradually add new features only if they truly help. Remember, bullet journaling is about clarity and focus, not perfection or appearance.